How to add on-chain to OKX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top at the search bar, simply tap and search for on-chain. So here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to find it. So simply tap on on-chain. Now you must create a wallet. So simply tap on create wallet. So here you can even just view it or check out without creating a wallet. So yeah, I'm checking the tokens. So this is the stock that is available. So these are the charts and the information. Now you can even trade it, but in order to trade it, you must create a wallet first. So this is the indicator and the graph that it's showing. Here you can know about the details, but in order to trade it, you must have a wallet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.